Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. For that you will have to launch your WhatsApp mobile application, and once you are on the home page, you are going to see this little colorful circle in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now for any reason if you are not able to see this option in your WhatsApp, then you will have to launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and from there you just have to update your WhatsApp application. After that you are definitely going to get this Meta AI option. So in order to enable Meta AI on WhatsApp, you need to tap on this circle, and after that it will show you the features of Meta AI. So you need to tap on the accept button in the bottom, and then you will be redirected on this page. Now over here it will say that my name is Meta AI. Think of me like an assistant who is here to help you learn, plan and connect. What can I help you with today? So over here, with the help of Meta AI, you can ask any question to it, or you can even generate images on it. So let's say I want to ask a question to Meta AI. So this is my question that I have put over here, and if I press this send button, it will take some time and it will generate the answer for my question. So as you can see over here that I have asked it where is Statue of Liberty, and it has given me the answer as well as the details of the question that I have put over here. If I want to generate images on Meta AI in WhatsApp, then I will have to use this slash option, and then you are going to see the imagine button over here. So you need to tap on imagine, and after that you will have to start typing your prompt. So let's say I want to type this prompt. After typing it, if I press this enter button, it will again take some time and it will generate the image for us according to the prompt that we have provided to it. So this way you will be able to easily use a Meta AI in WhatsApp. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.